Hello guys, again my name is Andrew of course, and today I have just wondered myself how it looks, this tool inside. How it's manufactured, how is the parts inside, is it strong enough, is it good enough? Well, we're going to find out today. And what is this? This is the Parkside PABS model 20 lithium D4. And to do that, first of all, we are going to take out the battery. Very easy. You don't need this battery. And if you want to see my video for the Parkside batteries, you can find it right in the corner. Well, let's start to unscrew with this Parkside tool, this Parkside tool. Okay, all the screws are out. And here it is, voila. This is a plastic, of course, or else. Very strong plastic. As you see, this is the magnet that it holds the bit from the outside. Put that here. Inside, first look, we do have this LED that it helps you when you are working. As you push this, it goes on. Here we are going to see the charging board. Nice. Here's the left and right. Two cables are going to connect it to mainly to the motor. This is from plastic, soft plastic. Cables connected. Plastic and a little bit of metal. For the first look, it looks that it is a good manufacturer. Nothing cheap materials. Let's take out the motor, all the unit. This is for screwing and drilling. And again inside there's the magnet that it holds the other bit. A metal that it helps you to change the drilling and screwing. Okay, let's go to the motor. Here's the motor. Sorry. It says Parkside Speedmaster RS 580 20 volts. Here it is. Oh, I'm a little bit dirty. It's a typical motor, not brushless. And here is the clutch. And it's changing the year for first and second. And let's open that to see how it looks inside. Okay, and let's open it. Voila. And here's the one part. Three of these here. Wow. And inside you're going to find another 5. So take these screws out. Okay. Well, they are not coming out. They don't have to come out. Let's see that how it looks. They are another 5. I think it's a very good manufacturer. I don't see any flaws. We see 6 bolts, little bolts here. Okay, let's take them out. You know where they are going. And to take out this, there is a Phillips inside. You can screw it out, and we will finish the disassemble. So many parts. Oh, now I know how it looks inside of a Parkside PABS 20 lithium battery cordless drill. Now it's time for the reverse to assembly again. Okay, let's do it. And here it is, the assembly has already finished and everything working perfectly. Okay, nice. With all that, guys, that is the end of the video, the long video. Definitely you will enjoy the fast forward of assembly and disassembly. And now you know how it looks, this Parkside cordless drills from inside. And again, if you want to look how the batteries looks from inside, you can see in the right on the corner the video for the batteries, and of course the same for the chargers in the left of this video. Thank you again for watching, guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like or dislike my video is your choice, but definitely hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming, and share this video. You never know who may need it. Have a nice and lovely day. Bye bye.